everyone. In my last video, we have done about the topic of accepting a spatial order, and this is a practice question for you. So practice question is, a manufacturer sells 3000 units of a product in the home market at rupees 18 per unit. It means 3000 is the production unit and 18 rupees at selling price. The marginal cost of production is rupees 12 per unit. It means variable cost is rupees 12 per unit and fixed expenses for 3000 rupees, 3000 units for 6000 rupees. He wants to sell another 3000 units, means extra 3000 unit in the foreign market, rupees 14 each. It means selling price is rupees 14, bearing additional cost of rupee 1 unit for distribution cost for export. It means distribution expenses we have assumed as an marginal cost for rupee 1. It means additional 3000 rupees will treat as marginal cost. Export, but fixed overheads remain the same. It means we will not consider it in extra 3000 units because it's already covered in previous 3000 units. Should he try to sell in the foreign market? And you all are solved this question. If you have faced any problem, then you can ask from me. And answer is, to sell in the foreign market is worth. It means it's an acceptable as an additional profit of rupees 3000. Now we will do next application of marginal cost. The next application or uses of marginal costing is choosing the profitable alternate. It means we have more than one machinery. Which machinery is beneficial or profitable for us? And the question is, a firm has to install a machine for production of a part. Two machines X and Y are under consideration. The particulars are given below for machine X and machine Y. The given data is cost for machine X 1 lakh and for machine Y 2 lakh rupees. Capacity per annum in units for machine X 20,000 and for Y 50,000 units. Life machine X 10 year and again machine Y same 10 years. Estimated scrap value nil. Materials per unit 3 rupees per unit for machine X and 3 rupees for Y. Production cost per unit excluding depreciation, machine X 5 rupees and for machine Y 4.50 rupees. Then part of existing overheads per annum 10,000 rupees for machine X and for Y 10,000 rupees, and interest rate is 9% per annum. The part is available in the market at rupees 9 per unit and can be sold at a net price of rupees 8.50. It means if we purchase this part from the market, then it will receive us in the form of rupees 9 rupees per unit, and if we sold this unit in the market, then its selling price will be rupees 8.50. This is buying price and this is selling price. The firm requires 30,000 units. Show which of the machines will be more economical or more beneficial. So we will do this question. So in this question, the given data we have taken and we will maintain a statement of comparative cost between machine X and machine Y. So we will calculate depreciation, cost machine X 1 lakh rupees and Y 2 lakh rupees, and estimated life 10 year and scrap value nil. So depreciation value after divide the cost divided by year, working life year. Materials, total annual cost we will calculate. Materials rupees 3 per unit, its variable cost 3 and its capacity is 20,000 and Y capacity 50,000. 3 rupees multiply 20,000, it means 60,000 and 3 multiply 50, 1,50,000 rupees. Then production cost per unit 5 rupees per unit for X, 1 lakh rupees, and its cost is 2,25,000 rupees, and depreciation 10,000 for X and 20,000 for Y. Supervision expenses we will ignore, and now we will calculate cost of production, total of the cost 1,70,000 and 3,95,000. Then As per the question, in the question, investment rate, interest rate is given 9% per annum, but two machines are here. So we will calculate as average. So average will be 4.5%. So we will add interest on investment on 1 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees at the rate of 4.5% on average basis. So 4.5% of 1 lakh for X machinery, and for Y 2 lakh multiply 4.5%. So we will calculate, and this value is 9,000 rupees. So we will add these values. 1,74,500 and its value is 4,04,000. Then again add. This machinery capacity is 20,000 units, but we need 30,000 units. So 10,000 more units required for machine X, and here are in machine Y 50,000 units capacity, and we need only 30,000. So 20,000 are extra. So we will sold 20,000 units for machine Y, and we purchased 10,000 units for X. So buying units 10,000 for machine X. So and buying price are given, buying price rupees 9 at the rate of rupees 9 per unit. So its cost will be 90,000 rupees, and less selling units 50,000 minus 30, it means 20,000 unit. 20,000 for machine Y at the rate of rupees, selling price is given 8.50 per unit. So we will multiply it and we will deduct this value. 20,000 multiply 8.50 and the value will come rupees 1,70,000. Then we will solve these values. Then this will come total cost. Then 500 for we will add these values because it's buying unit 2,64,500, and in this we will deduct this value because these are selling units, 2,34,000 rupees. So as per the result we can see in X unit our cost will rupees 2,64,500 rupees, but for machine Y its cost is rupees 2,34,000 rupees. And now we will comment this question. In this question machine X cost is more than machine Y, and the comparative value we will compare these two values and we will deduct these two values, 2,64,500 minus 2,34,000, and the difference will come rupees 30,500. So we will gain as rupees 30,500 in machine Y. So we will accept the proposal of machine Y. In this question comments is mandatory, so you will also comment in this question, otherwise marks will be deduct. So we should accept the proposal of Y. If you have faced any problem, then you can ask from